guys, welcome back to FarmStead. Today's our third video in our budget food series. Today is Musubis. If you look back on the last two, it was chicken fajitas and beans and things. The budget series is on using stuff in your pantry. So using up the product that you have so it doesn't go bad and saving money at the same time. So let's get started on today's meal. All right, so Spam Musubis. It's a Hawaiian dish. It consists of Spam, white rice, and nori. Okay, so let's get started. All right, first thing we're gonna do is rinse the rice. Let's do that first. All right, so we're gonna rinse the rice. Okay, we want to rinse it till it's clear. All right, till the water's not milky anymore. Okay. Perfect. Okay, we'll get the rest of this water out of here. Nice clear water. Now we can get started. Today we're going to be using an Instant Pot to cook our rice. If you don't have an Instant Pot or rice cooker, you're going to want to soak your rice for 4 hours to soften it up before you cook it for the musubi. That way it sticks together well. All right, so we'll add the rice to our Instant Pot. Okay, let's take out the little tray in there. All right, we're going to add 4 cups of water. Okay, we'll get that added in. Now this is going to cook for 12 minutes in the Instant Pot. So not too bad for preparing a meal. All right, and you push the rice button and start. There we go. And you make sure the vent is closed. Okay. All right, it is now started the process, so 12 minutes it should be done. We'll get started on cooking the Spam. All right, let's get started with opening up the can of Spam. Okay. Now you want to cut the Spam into 1/4-inch pieces. Okay, once you have the Spam out on your cutting board, you get them cut into 1/4-inch pieces. You don't want them too thick when they're in the roll. Okay, and you will get more rolls if you get them nice and even. Okay, so 1/4-inch pieces, as even as you can. All right, there you have it. So we got our Spam all sliced up. Now we're gonna get it on the grill, okay? So you're gonna want your heat on a medium high, and you're gonna wanna get a nice brown crisp on the Spam. We have the stove on a medium heat. We're gonna lay out the Spam. Now you're gonna want to get your Spam nice and golden brown on both sides, nice and crisp. Look at that. We can fit a whole can of Spam on one 12-inch pan. All right, while the Spam's cooking, I'm going to combine the sugar with the rice wine vinegar. Okay, and the salt. All right. I'm going to sprinkle this over the rice once the rice is completed. Okay. Let those sit a little bit longer, they'll brown on this other side, and then we'll sprinkle them with the sugar. All right, so we're gonna get the sugar sprinkled on there, and then I'll flip it. When I was in Hawaii, when I was in the Coast Guard, this was one of my favorite snacks to get for lunch. We'd go down and they had a little cart we would grab on the way back to the ship, grab Musubis. That's pretty good. Turn that heat down a little bit. Alright, the sugar's all on there. Alright, these are good to go. I'm going to flip them one more time, and then I'll get the soy sauce and water added. Alright, I'm going to get the soy sauce and water added on. Okay, we'll combine it right here. Alright, let's get it added on the Spam. Alright, we got the soy sauce and water added in there. They look beautiful. They're good to go. Alright, so the rice is done cooking. That's Tanner over there. Alright, we're going to combine our rice wine vinegar, our sugar, and our salt into the rice. Okay. Get it all out of there. It's best to do this with a wooden spatula, get it all stirred up. Okay. It's nice and sticky. That'll be really good for assembling the musubis. Alright. We're all stirred up now. Okay, I have a little bit of water here. It helps get your fingertips wet when you roll the musubi to be able to seal it closed. That way it doesn't pop back open. Okay. So first things first. Okay. The nori. 1 slice of Spam. Spoonful of rice. Okay. You don't want to go too crazy and get too big of a ball of rice, okay? You can always eat a second one. Okay, get a little bit of water on your fingers there. Just right on the end, just put a little bit of water. You'll have moisture from the Spam, and then you just roll it, okay? And roll again. And there you have it, guys. You got a musubi. We'll get these others assembled, and dinner will be ready to go. All right, there you have it, folks. Spam musubis, okay? Budget meals. So you can serve these with soy sauce, with wasabi. I've also seen people eat them with kimchi, okay? And enjoy the meal. Nice, easy, quick meal. Have a good night, folks. If you like this video, like and subscribe. And leave us a comment. If you have any suggestions, leave us a comment as well for that. Have a good night. Bye.